This is the lift with no door. It's so much more convenient. There she is, all washed. Good. Man, I just gotta say, every place I've stopped, every place across India, there's not one spot I've come across which is clean. It's all littered with, look at all this, with bottles, with wrappers. Look at that. I mean, this is the most common thing I've observed, and especially in trucks and buses, tempo travelers, people just eat and they throw. It's just second nature to them. It's like when they breathe without thinking, they just throw without thinking. And look at all this, and it's lined up all across India, everywhere, from Uttarakhand right next to the Ganga to Assam and the tea estates, to forget the cities and the villages. That's in any case very dirty. It's disgusting. It's really fucked up, man. When are we gonna learn? We've learned that doing this is wrong, but we will still do it. बस कैन ऐसे क्यों फेंकते हो? कैन ऐसे क्यों फेंका? कचरा क्यों कर रहे हो आप? You're an educated person, no? So please don't apologize to me. Apologize to the environment. You're an educated person. You do this, and what is left of this country, sir? Fuck. क्या गाय का बिक्री हो रहा है? हाँ? गाय का बिक्री हो रहा है?
most of the top here. Just feel it scratching like there. It's fine, but there it seems to have gone a little bit.
Yeah.
So.
Can you see me here? Well, I just want to say that this is not the greatest idea of them all, because just a few kilometers down, I saw the biggest elephant I've ever seen with the biggest tusks I've ever seen. And this is a wild elephant. And I'm just a few kilometers away from that elephant. So I hope I don't see him in person. Yeah, baby. Woo! Google really challenges you. There was no road there. There was no road for nothing. I don't know how he showed it to me that this is the best route here. But we did it. AK-47 and I did it. Well done, girl. On to Africa Twin all the way. Also for the record, Bihar, the dirtiest place all of India. Roads are better than Maharashtra, but there's just filth and dirt and stuff thrown everywhere. I want to get out of Bihar. I've already gotten out of Bihar, so I left West Bengal this morning, Siliguri, with the plan to head out straight. And the traffic in Bihar is... When I was traveling to Bhutan, I said so that Patna and Bihar were the worst. It's still the same, if not more. I'm also not able to find coffee anywhere in Bengal, Bihar, or even Assam for that matter. I have to carry these sachets now. Since I'm on the run and I need to reach before nightfall, I don't want to go and waste time in trying to explain and request people to make me coffee. I'm gonna just have the powder. Can't be that bad. Oh! I can't believe something I love so much tastes so bad by itself. That is rescue for my palate. Carry a trash bag with you. I'll keep it in my pocket. Alright, gonna hit the road. I hope the coffee kicks in soon because I'm fuck tired and I'm really pissed off. See you back again. I rode past this very charming little lake, if you can see behind me, and very conveniently it's got a little ghat, so you can go down over here. And I said, listen, let's just take a dip and have some fun. And let me show you. It's disgustingly dirty. This is supposed to be a lake. This is supposed to be a ghat where you're supposed to come and just bathe. And this is the state of the lake. There's sanitary pads. Look at that. They used sanitary pads floating around over there. Come on, man. This is disgusting. Like, why can't we fuck? It's fucking disgusting. I hate this. Shit. पूजा करेंगे, फूल रखेंगे, लेकिन साथ ही साथ सब कुछ फेंकेंगे वहां पे. You can worship a piece of rock. Why can't you worship Mother Nature, which is giving you so much? Fuck!